In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a no reply email in Outlook. By the end, you'll have a clear, professional auto response that tells people the mailbox isn't monitored and guides them to the right place for help. Start by opening Outlook on the web and heading to your inbox. Once you're in, look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner. This is where Outlook keeps all the controls for mail behavior and layout. Click it to open the panel, then choose Account. This takes you into the area where you can manage how your mailbox handles messages behind the scenes. Next, select Automatic Replies. This feature sends an immediate, consistent response to anyone who emails you, which is exactly what we want for a no reply setup. Turn on the Automatic Replies toggle. As soon as it's on, the message editor appears, and this is where you'll craft your no reply text. Keep your message clear and concise. A good structure is to thank the sender, explain that the inbox isn't monitored, and point them to the correct channel. For example, you might write, "Thanks for reaching out. This mailbox is not monitored and replies will not be seen. For assistance, please visit our help center or use the contact form on our website." Avoid adding attachments, signatures with images, or long paragraphs. The goal is a short, informative reply that sets expectations and prevents back and forth. If you want to limit who receives this automatic message, check the option that says "Send replies only to contacts." With this on, Outlook will only send your no reply response to people saved in your contacts. This can be useful if you're trying to avoid sending auto responses to unknown senders or mailing lists, though keep in mind that it also means some people may not receive your no reply information. Choose what fits your situation best. When your message looks good, click Save. That's the change that actually applies your no reply across your mailbox. From this point forward, Outlook will send your automatic response based on the settings you've chosen. A couple of quick best practices as you finalize your wording. Keep the tone neutral and helpful. Include a single preferred way to reach the right team or resource and state any expected response times if that's useful. Also, remember that some senders use their own auto replies, so keeping your message simple helps avoid confusion. That's it. You've set up a no reply email in Outlook using automatic replies, crafted a clear message, adjusted who receives it, and saved your changes.